Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, a charged Hesh ANC and the headset in hand. Find the power/Bluetooth button on the right ear cup, then press and hold for about 3 seconds to power on. You'll hear a voice prompt and see the LED change. This confirms power. Once done, the headphones are in standby for Bluetooth or basic audio. Make sure the cups sit comfortably. A good seal improves ANC performance. If you don't hear the prompt, check charge and repeat the long press. Now activate ANC and connect. With the headset powered on, press the designated ANC button once to cycle through ANC, transparency, and off. This engages noise canceling electronically. You'll notice ambient noise drop when ANC is on. For Bluetooth pairing, press and hold the power button until the LED flashes blue and red. Then open your phone's Bluetooth list and choose Skullcandy Hesh ANC. Once paired, audio should route instantly. If you plan to fine-tune sound or ANC behavior, install the Skullcandy app. Finish by confirming ANC works. Play familiar audio and switch ANC on and off to hear the difference. This tells you it's active. Make sure the ear cups seal well. Poor fit reduces effectiveness. If functions seem off, open the Skullcandy app to update firmware and adjust settings. As a key troubleshooting step, reset the headset by holding power and volume up together for about 10 seconds, then restart and repair. If ANC still fails, fully charge and try again, or test with another device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.